In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will upload an email attachment from Gmail to Google Drive. So let's start. Select Gmail as trigger. Then choose Get Email as trigger event. Select Existing Connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select a label. In this case, we have to choose Inbox. In steps, we have to upload a file on Google Drive. Select Google Drive. Choose Upload File as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Add file, content and name using Gmail app data. Choose the parent folder. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Gmail, compose email and attach the file. Send it. Now go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, journey is executed successfully. Now go to Google Drive. We can see the file being uploaded on the Google Drive. In this way, we can create an automation journey to upload Gmail email attachment to Google Drive. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.